Homemade Chicago Bulls Cheesecake recipe, easy and delicious. Hey there, YouTube foodies. Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookery channel. Today, we've got something special for all you basketball and dessert enthusiasts out there. We're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering homemade Chicago Bulls cheesecake. It's not only delicious but also pays tribute to the iconic team. So, grab your aprons and let's dive into this delightful recipe. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. 1½ cups graham cracker crumbs. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. ½ cup unsalted butter, melted. For the cheesecake filling. 8 ounces, packages cream cheese, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 3 eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup sour cream. For the chocolate ganache. ½ cup heavy cream. 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. For the Chicago Bulls decoration. Red food coloring. White chocolate or white candy melts. Preparation. Step 1, making the crust. 1 in a bowl, combine graham cracker crumbs, granulated sugar, and melted butter. 2 Press the mixture into the bottom of a greased 9-inch springform pan, creating an even crust. Step 2, preparing the cheesecake filling. 1 Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. 2 In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened cream cheese until smooth and creamy. 3 Gradually add the granulated sugar and continue to mix until well combined. 4 Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. 5 Mix in the vanilla extract and sour cream until the batter is smooth. Step 3, assembling and baking. 1 Pour the cheesecake filling over the chilled crust in the springform pan. 2 Tap the pan gently on the counter to release any air bubbles. 3 Bake the cheesecake in the preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes or until the edges are set, and the center is slightly jiggly. 4 Turn off the oven and leave the cheesecake inside for an additional hour to cool gradually. Step 4, making the chocolate ganache. 1 In a small saucepan, heat the heavy cream over medium heat until it starts to simmer. 2 Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in the semi-sweet chocolate chips until smooth and glossy. 3 Let the ganache cool for a few minutes before spreading it evenly over the cooled cheesecake. Step 5, Chicago Bulls decoration. 1 Divide a small amount of the cheesecake batter into 2 bowls. 2 Add red food coloring to 1 bowl and mix until you achieve a vibrant red color. 3 Use a piping bag to create the Chicago Bulls logo on the cheesecake using the red batter. 4 Melt the white chocolate or candy melts and use them to create the remaining details of the logo, like the Bulls horns and text. And there you have it, your homemade Chicago Bulls cheesecake, complete with a fantastic logo. This dessert not only looks amazing but also tastes absolutely divine. It's the perfect treat for basketball game nights or any special occasion. Be sure to chill the cheesecake in the refrigerator for a few hours before serving to let all the flavors meld together. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious creations. Remember, whether you're a Bulls fan or just a cheesecake lover, this recipe is a slam dunk. Until next time, happy baking!